Welcome back my channel. Welcome. You're here now, in a place of calm. A safe space, just you, and the sound. Today, I'm going to clean your ears. Gently, carefully. With every stroke, every sound, you'll drift deeper into peace. Let's begin. I'm taking the cotton swab now. Shoop, shoop, shoop. Can you hear it? It's soft, almost like a whisper. Just brushing, right at the edge of your ear. Now, we go a little deeper. SHRRRR, on the left. Shish, on the right. You're safe, just follow the sound. A light scratch, tisk, tisk, tisk. Don't worry, it's not rough. It's gentle, soothing, almost ticklish. Your ears are opening, releasing all the tension. Now comes the fluffy brush. Swish, swish, swish. Can you feel it? Like wind across a quiet forest. So light, so delicate. I'm going into the mic now, slowly. Circling around, listening, feeling, finding every hidden sound. Now, I'll add a few drops of oil. Drip, drip. Do you hear that? Moisture meets skin. Softness gliding within. A deep clean is beginning. I'll use a small ear pick now. Click, click, ting. Not sharp. Just, precise. Like brushing away old thoughts. Clearing the path inside your mind. Let's wipe now. FWIP, FWIP. One side, and then the other. Every breath you take, takes you further into calm. Into stillness. Into peace. I'm still here, and I'll stay, until every sound has melted away your stress. Your ears are clean, your soul is lighter, everything feels balanced. Now, close your eyes. Let go. Float into the silence. This was the most satisfying ear cleaning ever. Good night, and sweet dreams. Would you like this formatted for YouTube narration with sound cue markers or whispered audio segments? Today, I'm going to clean your ears. Gently, carefully. With every stroke, every sound, you'll drift deeper into peace. Let's begin. I'm taking the cotton swab now. Shoop, shoop,